Hardware lighting is a feature that lets you save one or more lighting effects to a device's onboard memory that'll play back when iCUE isn't running, such as when you lock your computer to take your device to a system that doesn't have iCUE installed. For components such as a Corsair RGB all-in-one CPU liquid cooler, all you need to do is go to the Hardware Lighting tab under Lighting Effects. Pick from a list of preset lighting effects and change the colors and other settings as desired. For a gaming peripheral such as a Corsair gaming mouse or keyboard, the process is similar. Go to Hardware Lighting and customize your desired lighting effect. Once you've customized your hardware lighting settings on your mouse or keyboard, you'll need to save those settings to a hardware profile. Corsair gaming peripherals that support hardware lighting may support one or more hardware profiles. For devices that utilize hardware profiles, go to Device Settings, scroll down to Onboard Memory, and select a slot to either overwrite an existing profile or save a new one. This will save not just your hardware lighting settings, but any hardware key assignments you may have created for this device in the current profile as well. Once you've saved a hardware profile with your favorite lighting effect, you can now cycle between it and any other hardware profiles you may have saved on your mouse or keyboard when iCUE isn't running. And that's it. For more information about Corsair gaming peripherals or components, check us out at Corsair.com. Thanks for watching.